Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Cloudflare Teams Authentication, complete guide step by step clearly. To use Cloudflare Teams Authentication, begin by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard. Log into your Cloudflare account using your credentials. Select the Teams option from the main menu. From the Teams dashboard, click on the Access tab. Next, locate and click on Authentication within the Access section. Choose the authentication method you wish to set up for your team. For example, you can select SAML for single sign-on capabilities. If using SAML, you will need to enter the identity provider metadata. This typically includes the SSO URL and the X.509 certificate. Ensure that your identity provider is correctly configured to work with Cloudflare. After entering the necessary information, click Save to apply the changes. To test the authentication, navigate back to the Access dashboard. Create a new application by clicking on Applications. Fill in the required fields for your application, including the name and type. Next, configure the access policies for this application. You can set rules based on user groups, IP ranges, or device posture. Once the policies are set, click Save to finalize your application setup. To ensure everything is working, visit the application URL in a separate tab. You should be prompted to authenticate via your chosen method. Log in using the credentials from your identity provider. If authentication is successful, you will gain access to the application. If you encounter any issues, recheck your configuration settings. Finally, make sure to monitor and adjust access policies as needed to maintain security. This completes the guide to authenticate with Cloudflare Teams Authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.